Today we will learn how we can cleanse in the data in the sheet. Now here you can see the set of commands: substitute, trim, upper, proper, lower and unique. Now here we'll see how we can use this command first, substitute. Now for example, here in my sheet, the G column, you can see decimal values here, but this is 658 comma. We need to make it decimal by excluding this comma sign. So let's see how we can remove this comma using this function. So first of all, you need to type equal substitute, type substitute, or else you can press tab and it will come up the command here, open bracket, then move the cursor to the cell because we need to convert this disorder numbers to the correct order with the decimal point, then close bracket. Prior to give the close bracket, you only need to give the set of commands here because we need to remove this comma and give the decimal point. So you only need to give the command like the tooltip it's saying. First of all, your cursor should be on the text. So we have already moved the cursor to the cell. It's G111. Now what is your alt text? So my alt text is comma. So how you can give that using this comma within inverted, because you are using the character value symbol. So give the inverted comma and give the sign. What is the sign? I need to remove its comma, right? And give the inverted comma here, right? Now it's asked the new text. I need to convert it to decimal point. So for that you have to use again the comma, then give within inverted decimal point, close inverted and close bracket. So I have already typed the command here, formula, in my sheet here. You can use that when you practice with these commands. So press enter and you can copy this command down. This is how you can give the decimal point if your value plays with the comma. Right. Now next command, trim. Trim is something like this. Let's say if your words place like this with the spaces, so you need to remove the spaces. So normally what you are doing is, if it's have one or two lines, you can remove from this formula by deleting the space. But let's say the huge number of sheets, you can't use that practice. So you only need to use this trim function. Give the equal sign, type trim, open bracket, place the cursor here, first line, close bracket and enter. So copy it down the command. You can see the space is removed. This is the trim command that you can use for that type of data. Next command is upper. So upper means the capital letter. Let's say normally capital symbol we can easily do in Word using the ribbon, but the same commands we can use in Excel even. So we have to use this equal sign and type upper, open bracket. So I need to convert this set of data to capital. So place the cursor to the cell where you need to convert, close bracket, enter. So you can copy it down, the entire text converted to capital. So next one is the proper. Let's say if you need to make the sentence beginning word with capital and others are simple, this is the command for that. Give equal sign, proper, open bracket. So same set of data, I can use the cell for here. So It's all in capital, but I only need to place first letter capital and others are simple. Close bracket, and let's see how is the output. Okay, copy it down. This is how we can use the proper command for this type of data. Right. Now next one is the lower. So I need to convert all words into simple letters. So lower is the command for that. Type equal lower open bracket. Let's say this set of data. Capital, all are capital, so I need to make all are simple. Enter, then copy it down. The entire set of data converted to simple. Okay. Next command is for unique. Let's see how we can use this unique command. So what is the purpose of this unique? It's something like that. Right now, let's see. We can use the unique command, this type of data, this set of data. Now here the origin, you can see the cities, repetition cities were there. Now Dallas plays in 3 times, New York 3 times. So if you need to unique these words, right? So only option is using the conditional formatting. You can highlight the repetition of word, but I need to place only the unique word from this entire sheet. So for that you need to type equal and unique. You can select the unique from the list, open bracket, highlight the entire sheet with the, let's say, the number of data existing in the sheet. You need to highlight the entire sheet, close bracket, and enter. It will omit all the repetition words and place only the unique value from the list, like this. So this is the command for that. I think this is very useful for your day-to-day work. So we will meet with you with the same set of functions in my future videos.